Good day, everyone. For our topic for today's lesson is technology tools for collaborative work, and I will be your micro teacher for today's lesson. For our learning objective, first, to identify technology tools for collaborative work. Second, to determine the types of tools and its uses. Lastly, to learn the significant role of the said topic in the classroom setup. What is technology tools? Collaborative technology, or CT, refers to tools and systems designed to better facilitate group work both in office and remote. Technology tools are indispensable in today's digital age, offering a multitude of solutions to improve efficiency, collaboration, and innovation across various sectors, from software application and hardware devices to digital platform and specialized tools. This technology has transformed the way we work, communicate, and live. As technology continues to evolve, the development and adoption of new tools will further enhance our capabilities, paving the way for a more connected. What is collaboration? Collaboration in the classroom helps students process and deepen knowledge. Students also develop important real world skills like problem solving, communication, teamwork, and leadership. Collaboration is the process where two or more individuals, groups, or organizations work together to achieve a common goal or complete a task. It involves sharing knowledge, ideas, skills, and resources, and often requires effective communication, coordination, and cooperation. Collaboration can occur in various settings, including workplace, educational environments, community projects, and online platforms. Effective collaboration can lead to enhanced creativity, innovation, and efficiency, as well as improved outcomes and stronger relationship among participants. So now, I will give some example of technology tools for collaborative work. First is Slack, a messaging platform for teams that allows real-time communication, file sharing, and integration with other tools. Colla- Slack is more than just a messaging app. It is a comprehensive collaboration hub that transforms how teams communicate and work together. Its rich feature set, extensive integration, and focus on security make it an ideal tool for modern workplace. As business continues to navigate and complexities of digital transformation and remote work, Slack stands out as an essential platform for fostering effective collaboration and driving productivity. Microsoft Teams, a collaboration tool that integrates with Office 365 and offers chat, video conferencing, and file sharing. Microsoft Teams is a powerful and versatile collaboration platform that meets the diverse needs of modern organizations, and its rich feature set, seamless integration with Microsoft 365, and focus on security make an essential tool for enhancing communication, collaboration, and productivity. As business continue to navigate the complexities of digital transformation and remote work, Microsoft Teams stand out as a critical enabler of successful and efficient teamwork. Zoom, a video conferencing tool that supports virtual meetings, webinars, and team chats. Zoom is a versatile and powerful communication platform that has transformed how people connect, collaborate, and learn in a digital age. Its rich feature set, ease of use, and scalability make it an indispensable tool for business, educational institutions, and individuals. As the world continues to embrace remote work and virtual interaction, Zoom's role in facilitating effective communication and collaboration remains pivotal. Next is Trello, a visual project management tools using boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. Trello is a versatile and powerful project management tools that creates the diverse needs of modern teams and organizations. Its visual, intuitive interference combined with extensive customization and collaboration features makes it an ideal solution for managing projects and tasks. Jamboard, a Google interactive whiteboard that integrates with Google Workspace for collaborative brainstorming and teaching. Jamboard is a versatile and powerful tool that enhances collaboration and creativity, both professional and educational settings. Its interactive canvas, real-time collaboration features, and seamless integration with Google Workspace make it an ideal solution for brainstorming, planning, and in teaching. Google Classroom, an online platform that integrates with Google Workspace to help educators create, distribute, and grade assignment while also fostering communication between teachers and students. Google Classroom represents a paradigm shift in education, leveraging technology to enhance teaching effectiveness, students' engagement, and administrative efficiency by providing an unified platform for digital learning, collaboration, and communication. Google Classroom equips educators and students with the tools they need to succeed in today's educational landscape and beyond. Kahoot, a game-based learning platform where teachers can create quizzes and interactive lessons to engage students. Kahoot represents a groundbreaking tool in educational technology, leveraging gamification to enhance learning experience and foster a collaborative classroom environment. Its interactive quizzes, real-time feedback, and gamified elements engage students in meaningful ways, promoting active learning and knowledge retention. Lastly, the Padlet, an online bulletin board where students can post notes, image, links, and videos for collaborative projects. Padlet has made a significant impact by transforming traditional methods of communication and information sharing across sectors. In education, it has revolutionized teaching practices by promoting interactive learning experiences and facilitating student-centered activities. What is the importance of technology tools for collaborative work? Technology tools are indispensable for modern collaborative work environments, empowering teams to communicate effectively, manage projects efficiently, and foster innovation by enhancing connectivity, enabling remote work capabilities, promoting creativity, ensuring transparency, and prioritizing security. These tools optimize teamwork and drive organizational success. As an organization embrace the digital transformation, leveraging advanced collaboration, technology becomes essential in achieving quality, agility, resilience, and competitiveness in rapidly evolving global marketplace. And its benefits. First, enhanced engagement. Enhanced engagement in the classroom is pivotal for fostering effective learning experiences that go beyond mere retention of information to active participation, critical thinking, and deeper understanding. Technology tools a crucial role in achieving by transforming traditional educational paradigms into dynamic, interactive environments where students are motivated and empowered by actively engaged with course and content and peers. Improve communication. Improved communication in educational settings is a fundamental to fostering a conducive learning environment where students can engage deeply with the course content, collaborative effectively with peers, and receive timely support from educators. Technology tools a pivotal role in enhancing communication within classroom by revolutionizing how information is exchange, interaction are facilitated, and learning outcome are achieved. By leveraging these tools effectively, educators can create dynamic engagements, tribes, and students are empowered to achieve academic excellence. Preparation for future skills. In today's rapidly evolving world, preparing students for future skills is essential to equip with the competencies needed to thrive in the diverse and dynamic professional landscapes. Technology tools play a pivotal role in shaping educational experiences that only impart knowledge but also cultivate essential skills and capabilities required for success in the future. Technology tools play a transformative role in preparing students for future skills by fostering digital literacy, collaboration, critical thinking, communication, creativity, global awareness, self-directed learning, and ethical technology use. By integrating these tools effectively into educational practices, educators can empower students to thrive in a diverse professional environments, contribute meaningful to society, navigate and complexities of digital age with confidence and competencies. Support for different learning style. Supporting different learning style is a crucial in education to ensure that all students have equal opportunities to succeed and excel in their learning journeys. Technology tools play a pivotal role in addressing diverse learning styles by offering versatile methods of instruction, engagement, and assessment that cater to individual learning preferences. Technology plays a transformative role in education by providing diverse tools and resources that support different learning styles. By leveraging these tools advancement effectively, educators can create inclusive learning environment that cater to unique needs and preferences of all students, fostering engagement, comprehension, and academic success across varied learning modalities. I hope na marami kayong natutunan for our topic for today's lesson. Again, I am John Christian David Garzon. Thank you for listening.